Hey, everyone. In this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the AIRCARE EP9 Series Pedestal Evaporative Humidifier. Overview. Decorative insert. Can be removed and replaced with any STD. 12 by 12 tile. Air release vents, both side. Chassis, entire upper body. Pour and fill door. Control panel. Base. Casters. Assembly. Unpack the humidifier from the carton. Remove all packaging materials. Casters. Lift the chassis off of the base and set aside. Remove the parts bag, wick retainer and float from the base. Turn the empty base upside down. Insert each caster stem into a caster hole on each corner of the humidifier bottom. The casters should fit snugly and be inserted until the stem shoulder reaches the cabinet surface. Turn the base right side up. Float. Install the float by separating the two flexible halves of the retainer clip, inserting the float into the clip and securing it into the base. Evaporative wick. Ensure the 1043 super wick is installed in the two-part wick retainer base and the base of the humidifier. Position the chassis over the base frame and press it onto the base firmly until it is in place. Water fill. Open the fill door on the front of the unit. Insert the funnel into the open fill door. Using a pitcher, carefully pour water to the max fill level on the wick frame. Humidity. Where you set your desired humidity levels depends on your comfort level, the outside temperature and the inside temperature. Operation. Plug cord into wall receptacle. Your humidifier is now ready for use. The humidifier should be placed at least 2 inches away from any walls and away from heat registers. Unrestricted airflow into the unit will result in the best efficiency and performance. Control panel. This unit has a digital control panel that allows you to adjust fan speed and humidity level, as well as view information on the status of the unit. The display will also indicate if the optional remote control is in use at the time. Remote is included with models EP9 R500 and EP9 R800 or can be purchased separately and used with any EP9 series unit. Fan speed. The speed button controls the variable speed motor. 9 speeds provide precise fan control. Press the power button and select fan speed, F1 through F9 proceeding from low to high speed. The initial default setting is high. Adjust as desired. The initial default setting is high. Adjust as desired. The fan speed will display on the control panel as the speeds are stepped through. Humidity control. At initial startup, the relative humidity of the room will be displayed. Each successive push of the humidity control the button will increase the setting. Each successive push of the humidity control button will increase the setting in 5% increments. At 65% set point, the unit will operate continuously. Other features indications. This humidifier has a check filter reminder time to appear after 720 hours of operation. When the check filter message is displayed, disconnect the power cord and check the condition of the filter. The CF function is reset after plugging the unit back in. When the unit is out of water, a flashing F will be displayed on the display panel. Auto dry out. At this time the unit will automatically switch into auto dry out mode and continue to run on the lowest speed until the filter is completely dry. The fan will shut off, leaving you with a dry humidifier that is less prone to mold and mildew. Wick replacement. First, remove any items on top of the pedestal. Remove the natural stone tile and place it in a safe location. Lift the chassis off the base to reveal the wick retainer and float. Remove the wick and retainer assembly. Separate the two-part wick retainer. Remove the old wick, drain excess water and discard. Place the new 1043 wick into the front side of the wick retainer and snap the larger, back section into place. Then place the wick assembly into the base, aligning it with the built-in guides. Replace the chassis on top of the base, being careful to note the front of the unit and not damage the float when repositioning the chassis. Remote control instructions. The humidity and speed buttons operate the same way as their counterparts on the unit. The fan speed and humidity settings will display on the control panel as you adjust them. The default measure for temperature is Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, but pressing the I/O button a second time will change to Celsius, degree Celsius. Periodically the remote performs a frequency check and will be unresponsive to input. Wait 5 seconds and try your input again. Care and maintenance. Remove any items from the pedestal top. Remove the decorative top insert and place it in a safe location. Turn off the unit completely and unplug it from the outlet. Pour out any remaining water from the reservoir. Fill the reservoir with water and add 8 ounces, 1 cup, of undiluted white vinegar. Let stand 20 minutes. The pour out solution. Refill the unit and reassemble it per assembly instructions. Do not store the unit in an attic or other high temperature area, as damage is probable. Warnings. Keep the electric cord out of traffic areas. To reduce the risk of fire hazards, never put the electric cord under rugs, near heat registers, radiators, stoves or heaters. Always unplug the unit before moving, cleaning or removing the fan assembly section from the humidifier, or whenever it is not in service. To reduce the risk of scalds and damage to the humidifier, never put hot water in the humidifier. Do not allow the unit to be used as a toy. Close attention is necessary when used by or near children. To reduce the risk of electrical hazard or damage to the humidifier, do not tilt, jolt or tip the humidifier while the unit is running. To reduce the risk of accidental electrical shock, do not touch the cord or controls with wet hands. To reduce the risk of fire, do not use near an open flame such as a candle or other flame source. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.